The glitz and glamour of the holiday season is upon us, and if you're not feeling festive because of excess fat on your belly and thighs, there is a brand new treatment, and patients are seeing instant results. This is Kayla McQueen. She is a laser technician here at Nuvell Clinics in Scottsdale, and this is a brand new treatment. What is it called?
It is called CellSound.
CellSound, and you're the one actually doing the treatments. You're seeing inches disappear right before your eyes.
That's
what
correct.
Are you thinking?
It's phenomenal to see just the variety of results from people that we're seeing, all the way up to 3.5-inch reduction from your first treatment, all the way up to 1.5 inches.
All right, so tell us about this patient.
Yeah, this is Christine. Christine is a mother of 3. So here's her starting before, and this is after a full session of 6 treatments with CellSound.
Okay.
This after was taken immediately after she got back from a weekend in Mexico. So she was sitting there enjoying herself and was able to maintain and hold her results.
How many inches are we talking about?
So she lost over 1.5 inches in all areas, both upper, mid, and lower abdomen.
And she's a mother of 3.
Mother of 3.
And she already had a relatively flat tummy, but I understand here, these are those trouble areas that people talk about. Look at how tiny she is.
Yes, it's amazing.
All right, so the first patient that you did, Anthony, and I heard there were screams going on.
We were so ecstatic over his results.
Oh my goodness. So what did you see with Anthony? How many treatments and what kind of results are you talking about?
So with Anthony, we saw immediate reduction in inflammation with his photos. So we had over 3.5-inch reduction in both upper, mid, and lower abdomen on him, which was outstanding.
I mean, look at the difference.
Some of the best ones we've seen.
Oh my goodness.
We can also see the reduction on the side here with him. And so after his treatment, we were all just talking about how amazed we were from a single treatment, single 40-minute treatment.
How many inches?
3.5 inches in all areas.
What does the treatment feel like, Kayla?
It's buzzing sensation, tingling sensation, some involuntary movements from the electrodes that we use, and then with the non-focused ultrasound handpiece, you can get a gentle warmth that happens internally from the resonance that we're creating.
Yes, and how important are these images? You take pictures before and right after,
So
right?
we'll do pictures on the first treatment, the third treatment, and the 6th treatment. And what makes this green screen so special is that it's precise laser measurements. So you're never going to have that human error of using a measurement tape.
Yes, a tape measure. We're looking at some additional before and afters as I come over to here to Eric Jancy, and you have tested and trained on just about every body contouring machine out there. Why is CellSound so different?
Well, all the other devices out there that we've tested, from the cryopolysis to freezing, so this cool sculpting, we're using focused ultrasound, which is using thermal energy. We're just hitting a very, very superficial layer of fat. We're hitting maybe the first 1/8 inch of fat. And with CellSound, we're reaching every single layer of fat. We're debulking every single fat cell, all the way from the subcutaneous fat. And then with Anthony, you saw the pictures with the amazing photos. He had a lot of visceral fat as well. That's the fat that makes the stomach protrude out. And so we're able to reach visceral fat. So the only device in the market that can reach visceral fat.
Will the fat come back?
No, the fat's not going to come back. In fact, it's going to be even better. Wow. So, somebody still needs to nutritional exercise and that, but we're going to revascularize those fat cells. And the reason we're putting all that fat on that we're gaining as we age is the fact that we're losing the ability to burn fat as an energy source. We should be using fat as an energy source, and we're not able to do that. So we're going to revascularize all those fat cells as we're debulking them, so now we can turn the clock back.
Why should someone come here to Nuvell Clinics?
Well, one, we got the only device in the market that's going to reach every fat layer, doing that. And again, because I train people from across the country on how to do this, we're just able to use the best equipment for what you need.
Right.
Not just to say we've got this device and this is all we have.
Yeah, and patients are coming here to kind of reverse some of the effects of the other devices.
So there's a lot of side effects of some of the cryopolysis for freezing fat. You're getting fat necrosis, so we got hardening of the fat cells in there, and we're able to reverse that and smooth out those results with the ultrasound, with the CellSound.
Well, if you're ready to try CellSound, Nuvell Clinics is offering 30% off their CellSound treatment packages. In addition, the first 10 Sonoran Living callers who book an appointment today will receive additional savings. Nuvell Clinics is located in Scottsdale. To book your appointment, call 480-459-5262 or visit nuvellclinics.com/slendershape.